like a half a brick of these. These ones are really loud. I like these a little bit better than just the regular black hats. A Saturn Moon base. It's been opened, 25 shot. Next is a large California rocket fountain. TNT exclusive. When I say exclusive, I mean it's okay. I don't know. Starburst fountain. This is a performance. Next is just a bag of ground balloons. Spin on the ground. One thing is, one of my favorites is a single day parachute. Basically they're like a little mortar, but they're for daytime use, and you light it and it shoots out. When it does shoot out, it's a little loud. It might make you jump. Certainly I did when I shot my first one off. And it comes out with a little parachute with like this thing on the bottom of it. Sometimes it does set the parachute on fire, so if you're using this by a lot of dry stuff, make sure you got a water bucket. But next thing is Morning Glory sparklers. One of my favorite fountains ever, Killer Bees. These things scream, and there's, I don't know how many are on there, by Bomber. These things are always cool to have. Next thing is just a bunch of bottle rockets, like Whistling Moon Travers, some Silver Fox rockets. This used to be in an assortment. I just took them all out. A couple were missing. It even tells you how to I think it tells you how to launch a rocket on it. Next is my favorite sparklers ever,